Again, everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Josh in Kentucky on this General Lee. Josh, we got it fixed up for you. Had some cold solder joints and one bad diode. Took care of all that. Went in and did a tune and alignment. Let's get right to it. RPower all the way down. 5-watt slug. 1 3/4. 4.5 all the way up. 50-watt slug. I'll show you average power swing first. Got 13 out of this old school General Lee. 50-watt slug on peak. 50 watts on the money. Alright, Josh, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.